I'm going to show you in this lesson how to instantly project Bible verses. Now let's just say that you've prepared your song service, which I've got sitting over here, ahead of time, and you're setting up your service, and the pastor comes over to you and says, I have some Bible verses that I need to have displayed during the service. Well, rather than destroy your playlist and panic, here's how you can just gather the verses he's asked for, or she, and present them on demand. Well, first of all, we would select the book, and we have a number of books available, and I'm going to pick the New International, and let's just say the pastor has asked for, let's say something from Leviticus chapter 3, verses 4 and 5. We'll just add those. Then he says also that he wants something from 1 Samuel, maybe chapter 7, verse 1 and 2. And then also something from possibly, say, Revelation, which would maybe be from chapter 4, verse 4 to 6. And we'll add those. Now what we do is we simply leave these verses sitting here, and we go to our options to make sure that we have Instant Project turned on. Okay, and we'll talk in another lesson about how to actually create a playlist or sequence with these. We'll also show you how you can save these. Now you have to be careful that you don't click on these verses while your other presentation is going. So let's just say that the service is running and you've clicked on this song here and you're going through the song, and then at the end of the song the service worship part is going to stop, and you're going to be asked to present the verse Leviticus 3:4. All you need to do is simply click on that verse and it will instantly display on the screen. Then you can go back to your next song, start projecting it. I'm just using the clicker here. We could use our space bar. And then we say we stop right at that verse and we give Leviticus 3:5, and so forth and so on. So that's how simple it is to keep your verses lined up and ready to go. Another thing that you can do, if you like using this system, you can save this set by going over to the set here and save it. Give it a name here. We'll call it, let's say Sunday, and October, whatever, say 5th. And we'll just save that. Then I'll clear it. Later on, when you say on a Sunday comes up, you've got this, just load it here from the file. You could even transfer this by email, doesn't matter how you do it. And there's your set of verses to go. So that concludes this lesson.